welcome to my channel. Driving here in Minnesota. It's springtime, no snow anywhere. You can see behind me, sunset. You can see the car's shadow right in front of me over there. Beautiful day. That's Holiday gas station. It's a small one. This is called Roseville, Minnesota. Beautiful evening drive. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for joining me driving from Roseville to St. Paul, Minnesota. If you don't mind, you can subscribe. You can give us a like. You can leave a comment. It's up to you. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. And especially if you usually come back and watch my videos, the playlist, I really do appreciate that. I hope you're doing well. You're taking care of yourself and those people that you love. I have people watching my videos from many different countries of the world. I'll name just a few: Thailand, Malaysia, Canada, USA, Kenya, South Africa, South Korea, Russia, Iraq, Algeria, Costa Rica, Brazil, Mexico, Spain, Germany, Sweden, many different countries of the world. The Philippines, can't forget you guys. Thank you for your support. Continue watching our videos. It's a nice drive here. Roseville to St. Paul, Minnesota. You can always leave a comment when you watch my videos and say where you watch from. I respond to all my comments because I like to engage with my subscribers. And you don't have to subscribe to leave a comment. I just like to know where people are watching my videos from. It's awesome. Don't forget to come back and watch the playlist. I have more than 7,000 videos that will keep you entertained. And just a side note, this is a family channel. So all the videos you're gonna see here, they are family oriented. You keep me motivated by watching and giving a like. Specifically, when you give a like to a video, that helps with the YouTube algorithm to push it to more people. And when a video is watched by more people, then that's mean I'm gonna get more subscribers. There's a short drive, Roseville to St. Paul. It's about 3-4 minutes drive. This is my exit. I cannot thank you enough for joining me here today. You could be anywhere else watching other videos on YouTube, and there are millions of videos on YouTube, but you decide to come and watch my videos. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate you and your time. there's a lake over there. It's called Lake McCarran. See the water behind that building. It gets very busy in summer. Lake McCarran's. This side of the street is Roseville, and this side of the street is Maplewood. They have a small strip mall over here, little shops. And another tiny little shops over there. I go to Domino's quite a few times a month because my kid loves pizza. I love pizza too. There's a Burger King, and across the street over there there's a Taco Bell. Burger King is in Maplewood, but Taco Bell is in St. Paul. That sign. When you cross this street, that side is St. Paul. That's Taco Bell. There's a thrift store. It's called my thrift store. Not mine, but that's a name. Gas station closed. Used to be SA. A big holiday gas station right there in the hood. This is not the best neighborhood. St. Paul, Minnesota. Car dealer. Used cars. Car wash right there. Can wash a car or truck. They have AutoZone. Buy new auto parts. They have a Washington Magnet High School. Tiny gas station to my left. It's a BP. I think BP means British Petroleum. I don't know for sure. They have a Chinese place right there. They have a Nepalese tiny restaurant. Carpet place. Storage. This is my neighborhood in St. Paul, Minnesota. It's a middle class neighborhood. There's a liquor store, not advertising for them. And there's a Dollar Tree over there. I usually go there. I shop at Dollar Tree. Little neighborhood shop. Can get your brakes, tires, whatever over there. You can see Double Dragon. That's Chinese place. You can buy groceries over there. Small gas station to my left. Alright, take it easy. We'll see you on the next video.